English question to answer conversation video.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I do.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I do.
Why are you learning English?
For my career.
Why are you learning English?
For my career.
Is English easy for you?
A little.
Is English easy for you?
A little.
How do you practice English?
I speak daily.
How do you practice English?
I speak daily.
Do you watch English videos?
Yes, every day.
Do you watch English videos?
Yes, every day.
Do you use English apps?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you use English apps?
Yes, sometimes.
Who helps you learn English?
My teacher.
Who helps you learn English?
My teacher.
Do you read English books?
Yes, I do.
Do you read English books?
Yes, I do.
Can you write in English?
Yes, a little.
Can you write in English?
Yes, a little.
Do you speak English with friends?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you speak English with friends?
Sometimes, yes.
How long have you been learning English?
1 year.
How long have you been learning English?
1 year.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, a lot.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, a lot.
Is English important?
Yes, very important.
Is English important?
Yes, very important.
What's your favorite English word?
Success.
What's your favorite English word?
Success.
Do you want to speak English fluently?
Yes, I do.
Do you want to speak English fluently?
Yes, I do.
Books and reading.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I do.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I do.
What kind of books do you like?
Story books.
What kind of books do you like?
Story books.
Do you read every day?
Not every day.
Do you read every day?
Not every day.
Do you have a favorite book?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a favorite book?
Yes, I do.
Who is your favorite writer?
Human Ahmed.
Who is your favorite writer?
Human Ahmed.
Do you read English books?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you read English books?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you prefer short stories or novels?
Short stories.
Do you prefer short stories or novels?
Short stories.
Where do you read books?
At home.
Where do you read books?
At home.
Do you read books?
Yes, on my phone.
Do you read books?
Yes, on my phone.
Do you buy books often?
Not really.
Do you buy books often?
Not really.
Do you go to the library?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you go to the library?
Sometimes, yes.
Why do you read books?
To learn and enjoy.
Why do you read books?
To learn and enjoy.
Do books help you learn English?
Yes, a lot.
Do books help you learn English?
Yes, a lot.
Do you like reading alone?
Yes, I do.
Do you like reading alone?
Yes, I do.
Have you ever finished a big book?
Yes, once.
Have you ever finished a big book?
Yes, once.
Do you read books before sleeping?
Yes, often.
Do you read books before sleeping?
Yes, often.
No more today.
Okay. See you soon.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Please hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.